Menta ka Sngi ka apkuna tarik ujemang aja pesan kadai ka Sngi ka basan nadu bagi Shijur na indur ka jelam Madhya Pradesh kila jak rengai ka Thain Sohra. Ka Jingwad ki pulit ka Sohra police station kemju ki SDRF bat ki sot kala Hapdeng Hapdeng ki jing theo Lapbah Sohra menta ka Sngi ha ka Thain deuli Sohra rim. Ka jing Iaid kala syak pentut no ru na ka jing theo Lapbah ha ka belabu jing ban penunkam dagi tiar kumudrun bat ki wei sekitem bat ki riat jong ka Thain. Ki Shijur kentup ka sonam Rakhubansi bat raja Rakhubansi na ka jela Madhya Pradesh kila jak klep ha ka Thain ha ka jingwan ka jong ki sekani ka jela ka jela Iaid ikini ki Shijur ka beteng biang lasai ka Sngi ki pulit engkat ka jing Arab ki bolshnong kila pelong ka jing Iaid agini ki Sngi ha ka Thain maula khet dam dekhar nong riat Sohra rim bat kiwe ki jaka ha ka bala pendon kamru daki kso ban sema ha khandau bat penhel daki drone na suny Hendai kimpat lap setia. Nakling terang ba kejela olah simkia bahai kani. Haba keren halo kani kijing jiam tak Sngi terang ba olah ong ba. Ki pulit rengkat ke State Disaster Response Force kila tristem dak kijing yarap lang kinong syong snong ka Thain Sohra ban wat ikini ki arngut ki bajak rengai ha nadu ka apso tarik menta benai. Haba penpau kijing sungsi halo kani konral ong ba hakum kani ka polyur bajur slap daiban pikir habal lej kai hak tega Thain namar baka Sohra ka dega jaka ka bajur slap bat ka babun kiriat berkilahu.
In the recent few days, an unfortunate incident had happened where a couple, a newlywed couple from the state of Madhya Pradesh, had come to Meghalaya, to Sohra, Cherrapunji area, and we got reports that they went missing. It's a very, very unfortunate situation. My counterpart from Madhya Pradesh, Honorable Chief Minister, has spoken to me. I've received a call from the Home Minister's office, Government of India, and I've been monitoring the situation personally on a daily basis. The SP, as well as the entire administration, the police force has been on the job 24/7 to find the couple, and not only our administration but entire village and community in that area is also participating in this search for this couple. We are using all the possible technology also available with us to help us in our endeavor. As you're aware, this is the pre-monsoon area or the time and Cherrapunji and that entire belt is known for heavy rainfalls. Hence, it's a very, very difficult task as we move along, but we are giving it our best to ensure that we're able to find the couple